If you're looking for garden hand tools tool sets, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 BLACK+DECKER garden hand tools tool sets. Number 1, most popular, by BLACK+DECKER. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by BLACK+DECKER. Number 3. For more details about these garden hand tools tool sets, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by BLACK+DECKER. Find these garden hand tools tool sets at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more garden hand tools tool sets ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.